Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic strong verb and weak verb. I am repeating, today our topic is strong verb and weak verb. Students, this is lecture number 23. And there is no homework for today's class. Students, please take your notebook and writing elements. We are going to discuss elaborately about strong verb and weak verb. Students, you have learned in your earlier classes about verb, and you know there are two types of main verbs, and they are principal verb and auxiliary verb, and you have learned elaborately in earlier classes about auxiliary verb, and today I am going to discuss elaborately about principal verb and its classifications. So let's start. Look, as I said, verb can be divided into two: principal verb and auxiliary verb or helping verb. Today our topic is principal verb. So what is principal verb? First you have to know the definition. The verb which has a meaning of its own and can be used as the only verb in a sentence alone, or which with an auxiliary verb or helping verb is called principal verb. So it means when any verb in any sentence is alone or is using with an auxiliary verb or helping verb, it is called principal verb. And we can divide principal verb into two. First one is regular verb and second one is irregular verb. The name irregular verb is known as weak verbs also. It means regular verbs and weak verbs are similar. And another name of irregular verb is called strong verb. Irregular verb or strong verb. So we can divide principal verb as irregular verb or weak verb and irregular verb or strong verb. First we will discuss about regular verbs or weak verbs. So first you have to know what is weak verb. The verbs which forms their past and past participle form by adding d or ed to the base in regular way are called regular or weak verbs. Students, the verbs which forms their past and past participle by adding d or ed to the base in regular way are called regular or weak verbs. Look, we know there are three forms of any verb: base form or present form, past form and past participle form. I have written here in short PPF. You know, PPF means past participle form. So look, the base form of hope, this is base form, and past form is hoped. Past participle form is also hoped. Students, here we have added ed with the verb. Look, the word hope, we have added d, hoped, and same in past participle form. Play, we have added ed in past form and past participle form. Play, played, played. Now come to this one, talk. Talk is base form, we have added ed with the past form and past participle form. Talk, talk, talked. Obey, obeyed, obeyed. Cook, cooked, cooked. Jump, jumped, jumped. So look students, in every verb we have added ed to make them past and past participle form. So this is easy when we use ed at the past form and past participle form of any verb. Base form or with base form, it is called weak verb or regular verb. And now we will talk about irregular verbs or strong verbs. So you have to know what is irregular verb or strong verb. The verbs which don't have regular d or ed, like regular verbs ending in their past and past participle forms, are called irregular or strong verbs. Students, I am repeating, the verbs which don't have regular d or ed ending in their past and past participle forms are called irregular or strong verbs. So you can see there are three rules for irregular verbs. Look, verbs in which all three forms are same. So you can see the example: cost, cost, cost. Put, put, put. Bread, bread, bread. Is there any change in any form? This is base form, this is past form, and this one is past participle form. There is no change in three forms of the verbs. Cost, cost, cost. All are remain same. So these are called strong verb or irregular verb. Short, short, short. These are also example of irregular verbs. Now number 2, verbs in which two of the three forms are the same. I'm repeating, verbs in which two of the three forms are the same. We know there are three forms, and if you find two forms are similar among three, it is strong verb. So look at the example, become, became, become. Students, look, become. This is base form and this one is past participle form. So these are similar. So among three, 1, 2, 3, 2 are similar. These 2 are similar. So we have to say this is strong verb. And look, another example, buy, bought, bought, teach, taught, taught. So there we find similarity in these two, bought, bought. So here we have find the similarities between base form and past participle form, and in next we have find in past form and past participle form. The similarities is in past form and past participle form. So the rule is verbs in which two of the three forms are the same is called strong verbs. Now number 3, verbs in which all forms are different. It means all forms, that means three forms, base form, past form and past participle form will be different from each other. Look at this example. The first example is drink, the past form is drank and the past participle form is drank. Drink, drank, drank. Give, gave, given. Students, is there any similarities? Drink, the word drink is, look here, I changed to a in past participle form, and again it turns you in past participle form. So base form, past form and past participle form, there is no similarities. All are different from each other. Like this, give, give, given. This is also changed, totally changed, and these are called irregular verbs or strong verbs. Students, these are just given for your understanding. You have to learn more words. If you want to do better, if you want to improve your word stock, you have to learn more words. For regular verbs, I have given such words for your understanding. There are a lot of words. You have to learn all this at home. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any question in your mind, you can knock me in Messenger or call me, or you can ask your teacher directly at the time of your live class. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.